Hello, and we are doing vegan pumpkin, not pumpkin, but pecan pie. And so we have the ingredients. We have vanilla, molasses, flaxmeal, butter. Remember, this butter has to be non-dairy. And syrup. Remember, the syrup has to be non-dairy, non-dairy. So let's start it off right here. We're going to have it sit for a bit. So let's get it started. I'm going to add the maple syrup here. Next, we're going to add the vanilla. Now the molasses. Now I love molasses, so this is going to be awesome. Put all that in there. Some butter. Flaxseed. We added some water. We have a dollop of stuff, and we're going to just mush it all together now. The flaxmeal will have it all come together. Just taste it and see if it gives you it tastes really good. I'm going to put a little bit more in there just to make sure it thickens to where we feel comfortable with this. And we're going to put it in the refrigerator, and we'll check back with that. There we go. That looks a little bit better. And we'll check back with everything once we put it in the pie.